I'm so grateful I have reached this age of Google, because with just tip of your finger, you can have access to so many write-ups and exposes. You find out what resonates with you. Seekers usually find, ask and it shall be given. It opened my mind to the whole exciting world of possibilities, adventures, opportunities, and to explore anything of value to us. So whether you believe it or not, there is a power in the universe that animates, penetrates, motivates, and keeps everything harmonious and orderly, governed by natural laws of the entire cosmos. It is almighty,